Hey, what's up you nice people? Welcome to our channel Turbotronics. This is the part 2 of the Arduino beginner to professional video series. In this tutorial, we are going to use the PWM pins of the Arduino board to observe the fading effect of an LED. We will learn what PWM is, and we will also see and upload the code to fade an LED. We will also see wiring schematics of connection. So let's get started. Open your Arduino IDE and then open this code via the download link in description. Read all the comments here and try to understand the code. Try experimenting with the code by changing the values and variables. Also try to type this code yourself after understanding it. Now make the connections as shown in this video. Connect the jumper wires, 1 to digital pin 9, and 1 to the ground pin. Now connect the LED and 220 ohms resistor on breadboard and connect them with the jumpers as shown. Now upload the code and see what happens. The LED is showing fading effect. Beginners are always very excited after seeing this happen. Subscribe to our channel to become the part of beginner to professional video series.
Hope you liked this video. Stay tuned for upcoming video in Arduino beginner to professional video series. Till then, happy coding.